Okay, we're coming to you live from the Yahoo Hadoop Summit, and I'm here with Eric Baldeschwieler. Eric, how are you?
Hi, good.
So you're now the CEO and one of the founders of Hortonworks, which was just announced yesterday. Can you tell me just, first of all, quickly, what is Hortonworks?
I'd be glad to. Hortonworks is a new independent company funded by Benchmark and Yahoo that is really focused on making Apache Hadoop more consumable by enterprise and everybody else. So our idea is that we can make a much bigger and market for everybody who's interested in Hadoop by making Hadoop easier to install, manage, and use, by improving it technically, and by supplying training and support around Hadoop. The team coming from Yahoo that is founding Hortonworks is the team that has taken Hadoop from a small prototype to what it is today. We have by far the most committers and experience of any organization in building and making Hadoop better. We also have experience supporting Yahoo's 42,000 nodes of Hadoop, which gives us there's just a lot of diversity of content and applications there. So we're really excited about the opportunity to take that experience out to the broader market while staying completely true to our commitments to keeping all of our work in Apache. So Apache Hadoop should be a complete solution for big data in open source. And that's what we're all about.
Cool. And so you're bringing on some key people, as you mentioned, some of the core folks on the engineering side. You're also bringing on Rob from Benchmark.
That's right. Rob is joining us as COO and president and is bringing with him a set of experienced folks on the open source business side. That really excites me. We're marrying the technical team that I talked about with a business team that has a record between JBoss, SpringSource, and a number of other open source companies in the Benchmark family. Really a lot of experience in building successful open source companies. So marrying that business experience with our technical Hadoop experience, I think is going to be a great combination.
And so you're starting off with a big customer being Yahoo. Do you have any other folks lined up at this point, or is that part of the work ahead of you?
That's part of the work ahead. We're just starting. We're officially becoming a company in July, and we'll be communicating more about partners in July as well.
Excellent. So now, how do you divide the engineers who are still there at Yahoo, and what will they be doing? Are you going to actually be doing all of their Hadoop stuff, or are they going to still have a hefty amount of Hadoop folks there?
Hadoop at Yahoo is a huge undertaking. Yahoo has, as I said, about 42,000 nodes, and those are wrapped up into on the order of 20 clusters, providing a 24/7 service for more than 1,000 Hadoop users at Yahoo. So putting that service together, training people to use it, debugging failures in their applications and issues in the infrastructure, and making enhancements to the infrastructure as people discover bugs and lack of need for features is just a job for a huge organization, and Yahoo has that organization to plan, capacity manage, communicate, enhance, etc. What we're going to be doing for that organization is providing Tier 3 support. So since we have the core architects of Hadoop, we believe that 90% of the issues will be resolved inside Yahoo since they have such deep competence, but occasionally they'll find things that are just unusual and they'll reach out to us and we'll help them. On the other side, they're going to be actually helping co-develop the next version of Hadoop with us, and they bring not only a deep bench of people who are experienced in deploying and testing and enhancing Hadoop, but also their huge user base and huge hardware base. And that, we believe, will help us really validate that Apache Hadoop is as good as any platform for the kind of large-scale computing that we want to support.
Excellent. Eric, thank you so much.
Of course, thank you.